In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to add subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. Adding subtitles is really easy. For that, we need to right click on our video track and then you'll see the option of add subtitle track. And now our subtitle track is added. If you have any SRT file with the timestamp, then you can drag that SRT file onto your subtitle track like this, and all of the subtitles will be inserted on your timeline. But I want to add manual subtitles, so for that we need to select the subtitle track from here. Now go to the inspector and under it we'll see this option under caption, which is create caption. When we click on it, then we can type the subtitle here. So let's say I want to type here subscribe, then I can just type that here. And now I want to add a second subtitle. For that I need to take my playhead at the point where I want to add subtitle, and now under inspector we need to click on add new, and a new subtitle will be added. If you want to change the duration or placement, then for that just drag the handle like this, then you can increase or decrease the duration of subtitle. If you want to place it somewhere else, then just drag it and place it where you want it to be. And now I want to customize these both subtitles, so for that I need to firstly select them. And now let me take my playhead at this point to see the preview here. Now under inspector we need to go to the track section, and under track you can choose the font you want to go for. So let's go with this one, and let's change the color to yellow. And now I want to increase the size of it. You can do it like this, and to change the position you can use this position tool to change the position of them. And in case you want to add a background for your subtitle, then enable the background option, and now a background will be enabled. You can adjust the width and corner radius of your subtitles, so everything can be customized from this track section. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.